Hello class 12th. In previous video we studied about the genetic transformation in plants. Um, Genetic transformation in plants with vector, okay, and vector dependent gene transfer and gene transfer using vector-less system. Okay, the second type that is vector-less system. Second part, that is vector-less system. ओके, वेक्टरलेस सिस्टम से हम जो जीन को ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं, दैट इज वी स्टडीड इन प्रीवियस वीडियो डायरेक्ट जीन ट्रांसफर बाय इलेक्ट्रोपोरेशन एंड लाइपोसोम मीडिएटेड जीन ट्रांसफर. नाउ टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द फोर्थ part of this fourth sub part of this vectorless system, that is micro injection method. ठीक है, विदाउट वेक्टर हम जीन को प्लांट सेल के अंदर कैसे ट्रांसफर करेंगे, तो 3 हमने पहले वीडियो में पढ़ लिए थे. नाउ टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद दिस फोर्थ वन, दैट इज माइक्रो इंजेक्शन मैथड. माइक्रो इंजेक्शन method. In this technique, DNA is introduced by injecting it under pressure into the protoplasm or pollen. कहाँ पे हम करेंगे? Into the protoplasm, or pollens, okay, or directly into the developing inflorescence, or directly into the developing inflorescence. Okay. This method is used in several plant species including tobacco, alfalfa and rye. A microinjection of DNA into the nuclei of isolated protoplasm is an efficient means of gene transfer. ठीक है, प्रोटोप्लाज्म के अंदर अगर हमें जीन को ट्रांसफर करना है, इट इज अ वेरी एफिशिएंट मेथड, दैट इज माइक्रो इंजेक्शन. नाउ फिफ्थ टाइप्स, दैट इज माइक्रो प्रोजेक्टाइल गन मेथड. Okay, or gene gun also, it is called gene gun. Micro projectile gun method. ठीक है, जिसमें हम गन यूज करते हैं, that is not that gun. Okay, that is particle gun, ballistic gun, it is also called particle gun, ballistic gun, okay, or gene gun, okay. Now microprojectile gun method, this method is particularly used in cells where others methods cannot be easily applied. In this method DNA is coated on the surface of tungsten or gold. ठीक है, DNA के सरफेस पे हम क्या बनाएंगे? टंगस्टन एंड गोल्ड का वो करेंगे, टंगस्टन एंड गोल्ड से उसको कोट करेंगे. ओके, टंगस्टन एंड गोल्ड ऑन डीएनए सरफेस. ठीक है, ऑन डीएनए सरफेस. ठीक है, डीएनए सरफेस पे हम कोटिंग करेंगे टंगस्टन एंड गोल्ड की, and then which are projected by means of particle gun, ballistic gun, or also called the gene gun, into intact cells or tissues. These particles are capable of penetrating through several layers of cell and allow their transformation by reaching the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Soybean, tobacco and maize have been successfully transformed by this method. Microprojectile gun method, again this method is particularly used in cells where other methods cannot be easily applied. ठीक है, हम वहाँ पे इसको करते हैं जहाँ पे other method हम easily applied नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, in this method DNA is coated on surface of tungsten or gold particles which are projected by means of particle gun, ballistic gun or gene. It is very important, it is a 1 marks question. What is write a short note on particle gun, ballistic gun. ये सिंपल आता है, जब हम यूज़ करते हैं दिस माइक्रो प्रोजेक्टाइल गन को, तो डीएनए के सरफेस पे किसकी कोटिंग करते हैं, दैट इज टंगस्टन एंड गोल्ड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट प्रेसिपिटेशन मेथड. Sixth one under this vectorless system. Sixth one is Now sixth one, that is calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate precipitation method. Precipitation method. Calcium phosphate precipitation method. In this method, foreign DNA. Okay. In this method, foreign DNA is carried with the calcium ion. Foreign DNA is carried with the calcium ions. Okay, and is released inside the cell due to precipitation of calcium in the form of calcium phosphate. In the form of calcium, जो precipitate आता है, that is in the form of calcium phosphate. Okay. Now gene transfer by protoplasm fusion. Okay, gene transfer by protoplast fusion. Okay, protoplast को fuse करेंगे इसमें यहाँ पे. Now it is called protoplast fusion. In this method, in this technique, it is a technique. New crop varieties are created by somatic cell fusion containing the nuclear genome of one species in the cytoplasmic background of another, or in a mixed cytoplasm with organelle with both the species. That is called hybrids. Okay, hybrids versus hybrids. Okay, cytoplasm. And hybrids are of great interest of the production of the hybrid seeders and also study heterosis. Okay, now reporter genes in transformation. Reporter genes. In transformation. Reporter genes in transformation. The reporter gene also known as selectable and scorable marker gene. Reporter gene is also called, it is a 1 marks question in the board examination. Selectable or scorable or marker gene. Scorable marker gene. Marker gene. Selectable or scorable marker gene is also called reporter gene. Are interested into the gene construct carrying the gene of interest to allow the selection or identification of the cell or plant carrying the transgene without causing any harm to the host plant by their presence. A selectable marker usually provides resistance against a substrate. Selectable marker क्या provide करते हैं? Resistance against the substrate when which added to a culture medium. Okay, resistant against the substrate. Okay, when added to the culture medium. Okay, substrate when added to the culture medium. Added to the culture medium. Okay, now it inhibits the growth of normal cell in culture, so that only transformed tissue will grow and give rise a whole plant. On the other hand, a scorable marker allow identification of transformed cell. Okay, scorable क्या करता है? Identification of transformed cell, tissue or plant by an assay of the enzyme synthesizing by the marker. The assay usually involves a radioactivity labeled substrate so that the product may be identified by its position or the electrophoresis gel by radioactivity. Basically, in this reporter gene use of reporter gene in transformation, the reporter gene is also known as selectable or scorable marker gene, and these are inserted into the gene construct carrying the gene of interest to allow the selection or identification of cells or plant carrying the transgene without using any harm to the host plant by their presence. Now first one, that is selectable marker gene. This selectable marker usually provides the resistance against the substrate and which when added to the culture medium inhibits the growth of the normal cell culture. Understand it? Selectable का काम क्या है? Resistant होता है, ठीक है? Provides resistance against a substrate which when added to the culture medium inhibits the growth of the normal cell in culture. Okay, and so that only transformed tissue will grow and give rise the whole plant. ठीक है, इसमें जो ट्रांसफॉर्म टिश्यू होता है वो क्या देता है? होल प्लांट को ग्रो कराता है इन दिस सेलेक्टेबल marker gene. Now second one, that is scorable. Scorable gene marker also allows the identification of transformed cell tissue or plant by an assay of the enzyme synthesized by the marker. The assay usually involves a radioactivity labeled substrate so that the product may be identified by its position or the electrophoresis gel by radioactivity. Okay. Now in next video we will discuss about the genetic transformation in animals. Now this topic completed, genetic transformation in plants. Now next topic is genetic transformation in animals.